Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a handyman, a carpenter here in New York City. In this clip, we're going to do a Dremel Scroll Saw tutorial. Now, the Dremel tool, which is so incredibly versatile, can actually mimic some of the actions of a scroll saw. In order to do this, what we need to do is take our Dremel, remove this collar, and attach to it the router base assembly. Now, I've already fitted it with a rotary cutting bit. As you can see, this is a spiral, sharpened edged bit that will enable us to cut through wood in a random pattern, sort of like a scroll saw. So once we've fitted ourselves up and set our depth, in this case I've set the depth of the cutter to be able to fit through this piece of plywood, and you can see that I've started a cut, and you can see it's just a random shape, as a scroll saw would do. Now I'm going to set my speed setting at the highest speed, number 5, and we're going to just continue this random cutting, mimicking the action of a scroll saw. This is just a quick example of the random shapes that you can achieve with the Dremel Scroll Saw bit attachment. It's very important to remember when you're using a high-speed tool such as this to wear eye protection. I have high-impact polycarbonate lenses fitted into my glasses. They're prescription glasses so that my eyes are always protected when I'm working. But if you don't wear glasses and you don't have special high-impact lenses in your glasses, be sure to wear some sort of goggles or face mask, some sort of eye protection. It's very important. If this blade should break, it's going to do you a lot of damage. This is Steve Anthony. Thanks for watching.